In East Africa, a seismic event is taking place that could have a profound impact on the continent's geographical landscape. The Great Rift Valley is stretching and tearing at the Earth's crust, causing scientists and geologists from around the world to take notice. This ongoing process, although it may appear to be a work of science fiction, has the potential to create a new ocean and alter the boundaries of Africa over millions of years. The Great Rift Valley is a geological feature that spans from the Afar region in the north to Mozambique in the south. It boasts awe-inspiring landscapes and is crucial to understanding the geological forces that have shaped our planet. At the heart of this vast depression lies the East African Rift System, a zone where the African continent is slowly being pulled apart. This area has recently gained attention due to the sudden appearance of a large crack in southwestern Kenya. Plate tectonics is the scientific theory that explains the movement of the Earth's lithosphere. This theory is central to understanding the division of the African continent. The East African Rift System is a classic example of divergent tectonic plates pulling away from each other. Due to this activity, the African plate now appears to be divided into two separate entities: the Somalian tectonic plate and the larger Nubian tectonic plate, moving in opposite directions. This tectonic activity not only contributes to the possible formation of Earth's sixth ocean, but also reshapes the geography of East Africa. These processes echo the ones that once separated the vast proto-continent, Pangaea, to form the Atlantic Ocean. Recent geological surveys and satellite imagery have provided convincing evidence of the slow but steady split of the African continent. These observations confirm the active splitting of the continent as the East African Rift gradually widens. It is important to note that this discovery is exciting, but the rifting process will take tens of millions of years to completely split the continent. To put it into perspective, the plates are currently diverging at an average rate of 0.2 inches, 7 millimeters per year. While the rift is currently above sea level, over time, it will widen and the crust will thin and sink. Eventually, a small seaway will start to invade the rift zone, similar to the Red Sea, changing the geography of the area and creating a separate small continent. The continent of Africa will face significant implications due to its split. The possible division of the African continent has significant implications for its future. The East African Rift Valley's expansion may result in the formation of an ocean basin, significantly changing the region's weather and environment. This transformation will impact biodiversity, water resources, and agricultural practices, presenting both challenges and opportunities for the local communities in East Africa. Furthermore, the gradual separation could alter the continent's geopolitical landscape, with new maritime routes emerging and nations reassessing their territorial boundaries. This may also create new avenues for trade and communication. Why are the Somali and Nubian plates splitting apart? Experts have been aware of the fact that Africa is splitting into two parts for some time. However, they have been struggling to identify the exact cause of this phenomenon. After conducting a thorough investigation, they discovered that a wide zone of seismic activity and evidence suggests that a superplume is upwelling along the eastern edge of Africa, causing the rift. Heavy rainfall in the area may ultimately be responsible for the sudden appearance of the crack.